The top 5 must-have kitchen gadgets for every home chef. 1. Revolutionize meal prep with a versatile food processor, ideal for chopping, slicing, and blending. 2. Enhance flavor with an electric spice grinder, perfect for fresh, aromatic spices every time. 3. Simplify cooking with a digital meat thermometer, ensuring perfectly cooked meat every time. 4. Save time with an immersion blender, great for soups, sauces, and smoothies on the go. 5. Bake like a pro with silicone baking mats, offering non-stick surfaces for effortless cleanup. Upgrade your kitchen today with these essential gadgets for a better cooking experience.